how to install the IVO cylinder wall mount from Gotham Lighting. Before we begin, review the installation manual for a complete list of safety instructions. With the IVO cylinder family, choose from 2 different aperture sizes and 4 different cylinder body lengths, ranging from a shallow cylinder to extra long cylinders. The installation experience is the same across all shapes and sizes for the wall mount cylinder. Refer to the installation manual for specific J-box configuration options and mounting requirements. First, loosen the screws on the bottom of the canopy and remove the mounting plate from the fixture. Ensure the supply wires are pulled through the center hole on the mounting plate. Use a level to ensure the mounting plate is aligned correctly. Then, secure the mounting plate to the wall using the junction box screws. Next, fasten the safety cable to the junction box mounting pan. To begin feeding power to the fixture, connect the supply wires together. Then, push the supply wires into the junction box through the center hole in the mounting plate. Hook the top of the fixture wall canopy to the mounting plate and rotate until the fixture is perpendicular to the wall. Secure the fixture on the wall by tightening the 2 set screws on the bottom side of the wall canopy. For the IVO cylinder adjustable wall mount, tilt positioning can be made by loosening the set screw and socket head cap screw. Then, tilt the fixture to the desired position. Secure it by tightening the socket head cap screw and the set screw. For rotation positioning, loosen the set screw on the side of the adjustable wall canopy and rotate the fixture to the desired position. Finally, tighten the set screw to lock the fixture into place. Trims are field interchangeable by manually pulling down to overcome the spring lock. Optics can be removed with a simple twist and lock mechanism. To learn more about IVO cylinders, visit gothamlighting.acuitybrands.com.